Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox links. These handy web addresses are your direct portal to the vast world of Roblox, allowing you to instantly jump into games, view cool items, or check out your friends' profiles. They make sharing content incredibly simple and efficient, saving you time and effort. Understanding how these links work will significantly enhance your overall experience on the platform, making navigation smoother and more intuitive for everyone involved. Roblox links come in several key varieties, each serving a distinct purpose. Game links, for instance, whisk you directly into a specific experience, while item links guide you to unique catalog items like a new hat or a powerful tool. You'll also find profile links to explore other players' pages and group links to join communities. Knowing these types helps you quickly find exactly what you're looking for within the platform's expansive content. Sharing a Roblox link is straightforward. Simply copy the link from your browser's address bar or the share button within the Roblox app. Then, paste it into a chat, an email, or your favorite social media platform. When someone clicks the link, it will automatically open the Roblox application or website, taking them directly to the content. Always ensure the link comes from a trusted source to keep your account secure. If a Roblox link isn't working, first double-check its format for any errors. Ensure you have the Roblox application installed on your device for the best experience, especially when accessing games. It's crucial to always exercise caution with unfamiliar links. Never click on anything that looks suspicious to protect your personal information and account. If you encounter a malicious link, please report it to Roblox immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.